G'day guys, 2Aussie here again. What's cracking? Well, today I thought I'm going to make a little dessert, a dessert called a trifle. Well, I'm always doing pizzas and lasagnas and omelets and stuff like that, things for dinner and lunch, and little mukbangs and takeaway food reviews. So I thought I'll show that I am a man of many talents, and with Christmas coming up, this is a great little dessert for the whole family or for guests when they come over. Very tasty, very filling, and got quite a few little ingredients in it. So I'll show you all the ingredients that are in it, and then I'll get to assembling it. So this is what's going into the trifle. We've got some Madeira cake. In the red containers I've made up some jelly, one strawberry jelly and one lime jelly. We got some whipped cream, custard, some tinned peaches and some tinned pears, and a few fresh strawberries to put on top. So we'll get on with assembling it and show you this beautiful dessert. So guys, I've been giving this a bit of thought about how I want to assemble this because I'm not even 100% sure myself. Haven't done this for a long time, so I thought what I'll do is I've got enough cake here to make a couple of layers. So what I'll do is I'll do a layer of cake on the bottom. And it doesn't really matter how you do this, or you can put other ingredients in if you want. This is just a basic type of thing. So what I'll do is throw that in. And then what I thought was, I'll put some pears on top of that. But also have a bit of the juice going in there too, so that soaks into the cake. Make it nice peachy flavour. And I made strawberry and lime jelly just to give it a bit more colour, and I thought if I put peaches and pears in, that'll make it a bit more colourful too. I'll just put the whole lot of those in. The peaches are a bit of a smaller tin than the pears, so I'll just put all them in. I probably won't put all the pears in though. So next, seeing the strawberries are going to be on top and they're red, I might put red as the next layer, and then there'll be red on top. So red, oh, nearly lost that. Red jelly next. Put it all in there. That's one packet of jelly there, so that's not a real big amount. I'll say it's looking pretty good so far. Nice and colourful. Just spread it all around a bit. Maybe 2 packets would have been better for this size, but anyway, it'll do. There's going to be more jelly afterwards anyway on the top. So, next for me would be custard. I'll put about half of that in. So with Christmas coming along, I just thought this would be a great Christmas recipe. Great dessert. And I might make it myself again at Christmas as well. I'll probably have the mukbang gang coming up, my son and his friends, so do a big Christmas dinner and all that, and we'll make a nice dessert. I guess Christmas is a good time for pigging out. So anyway, just do the layers again now. That one. I've actually got a lid that goes on here that's a bit higher, so I can make it right up to the top. That one in there. A few peaches. Sorry, pears. Next. These are small pieces. I didn't realise they were that small, but that's quite good. There's a lot of juice in there, so I won't put too much, just enough to soak into the cake a bit. So that's looking good. Next, lime jelly. Well, If nothing else, it's looking very colourful, but I know it's going to taste fantastic. Smells really good, that lime. I actually like lime things, they're quite good. I like lime milkshakes, lime thick shakes, lime jelly. Don't eat that sort of thing very often, but when you do, it's a nice little treat. So now I'll just put a little bit more custard because it's getting a little bit too full. Not too much, just enough to cover that up. Now I'm going to put some whipped cream on and shake it up a bit. A little bit too much there, but that's fine. It'll look good. Tastes good anyway. A few strawberries. And there you have it, guys. 2 Aussies. Strawberry sorry, not strawberry, just trifle, but nice little strawberries on top. Gives it a nice little colour. We'll have a look. Look at that, looks fantastic. Lost a bit down the side there. Shouldn't have tipped that, I suppose. But anyway, another great little recipe, I think, and try that for Christmas, and I'm sure everyone will love it. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget, you can never be too Aussie. Hooroo!